Good morning. 2 minutes to Asian markets, and I'm recording this because remember, this is an ongoing series. So let's switch to MentoredTrader. I'll explain to you. First things first. So if we look at the daily candles or the daily time frame, this is where I'm selling the GBP USD. If you look at yesterday's candle, we have a doji up there. Two, these are Asian markets. This is an Asian session we are looking at here. Okay, so let's go to, okay, we've lost $10 out of the $30 we have. That's okay. And let me take you to the lower time frame. Let me take you to 51 hour 15 minutes time frame. So if we look at 15 minutes time frame, this is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, the same thing you see in this box or whatever you see here. Let me enlarge this screen and I'll tell you why I'm selling GBP USD right there. So let's go back to the daily time frame. So we already know that this is yesterday's high. Okay, that is yesterday's high. Let's mark it. So I am going to mark yesterday's high. That is yesterday's high. I'm not using TradingView, I'm using MentoredTrader 4. So that is yesterday's high. We already have that rejection, that doji, which really indicates that, okay, even retail traders know, okay, GBP USD is going down, which is pretty awesome. So let's go to the let's go to a lower time frame. Remember, we are scalping, and I'm pretty sure the GBP USD is going down. Okay, if we want, we can hold this for a week or two, but for the series purpose, we are going to close later in the day. It's the Asian Open already, so let me show you what is happening here. So do you see this pattern here, or do you see this is a rally? Okay, so let's look at retail traders. So what happens on a retail chart patterns? What happens is this. Okay, they have a rally. Okay, they have that rally, then what follows next? Retracement. Okay, they do this, then what do they do? They buy. Okay, so they are looking at a trend continuation pattern. Okay, they are looking at buying back, but for my case, I'm looking at selling where retail traders are buying. Okay, you understand? I'm looking at selling where retail investors are buying. So I'm going to stop this video from here. This is not what I'm looking at. No, I'm not looking at that. That is a retail thing. I'm looking at something like this. Okay, this thing right here. Let me show you. So this is what I'm looking at. Then drop. Remember, we're retail traders. Where they buy, you sell, and where they sell, you buy. So this is what I'm looking at here. Whereas retail investors are looking at rally, base, rally. I'm looking for a rally, base, drop. Okay, buy, consolidation, sell. Whereas they are looking at buy, consolidation, buy. Okay, so that's why I'm selling all. That's why I have all these positions, because I want to hit the profit target as soon as possible. I want to hit the 3.7 million in less than no time. So I'm going to update you like at the end of the day. I'm going to show you the far we've gone with this account. Hello folks, well, and it's time. We've closed the trade on a GBP USD. We took ourselves 60 pips because I'm expecting a little retracement back up from here to somewhere like here, then we continue with a strong sell down here. So in this series we've closed with 267,000 Ugandan shillings from 6,000 Ugandan shillings that we started with yesterday. So we are pushing this account slowly. We are using a 0.01 lot size. So this is what we've gotten from the market with 60 pips, and we're going to publish this video to keep updating the followers about our progress. Then I'm looking at Euro GBP. I'm looking at buying Euro GBP, but I'm waiting for something to happen, which hasn't happened yet. This is going to be our lowest low, but however, these how many pips? 20 pips. So I'm waiting for price to come back at least in this area here. I'm waiting for something like this, and then I push the Euro GBP back up. Remember, we are looking for institutional levels, and we're also expecting long candles back up on a Euro GBP, just like the candle we've seen on GBP USD. So I'm going to look for an institutional level anywhere. If this happens today during the New York session, which I see it's actually an hour from the hour of recording, if this same thing happens, I'm going to buy Euro GBP. But if it doesn't, I'm going to wait for tomorrow's New York session, sorry, London session, to push it higher, which I really would want to wait for the New York session, sorry, for London session tomorrow, Friday 30th or 31st, as we trade the time, date and day. Let me stop this recording from here, and we see you in the next video.